So we are just waiting for a couple of minutes. And after 4 minutes, we are going to start with our presentation. I again welcome you all. To the Minecraft training presented by Osmania University School of Education in association with EdChat India and Teacher. So yesterday in your session, you learned about the basics and the commands and implementing Minecraft in subjects, how you can implement it in various subjects, and how it can be made in and integrated into your subject to make it more interesting and engaging for your students. So a quick ground rules for you all. Till the time you all are accustomed to our rules, so I would request everyone to have a glance at the slide, as all the rules are same and all the net etiquettes are same for all webinars. So keeping the mic on mute and video and off, we'll be taking up all your queries at the end of the session. And I just received a query in the chat box that the assignment is necessary or not. Yes, we would be grateful to you for sending us the assignment, as it will help you to take up the knowledge and take it back into your classroom. So something about us, Teacher. We are a professional network for educators, and we are connecting, exchanging ideas with you. We are helping with resources, and we are learning from each other. It's a great platform to attend professional development events and more such events. And for more such events, you can visit teacher.in. And it's also an opportunity. The website gives you a lucrative opportunity to find some fabulous job opportunities and apply into the top schools. This training program is based on Minecraft, and we have requested our little facilitator, Namya Joshi, to take up some of the skills done yesterday. So she'll be taking up the basics and command tools. She'll be taking up the saving and sending of files. And some of you have requested her to slow her speed. So we have also requested her to slow the pace. So it won't be difficult for you all. And it's a sweet request from our little facilitator to see the recording and the various links that are being provided. So it will help you to create better learning experiences for your students. So I would welcome Monica ma'am and Namya Joshi to take this session further. And I would request Monica ma'am and Namya Joshi to take this session further. And before we move ahead, request to you all to submit the assessment and the assignment, and also fill in the feedback form. It will help us to reach you and help us in making more further endeavors which can help you and help you grow. So we request you all to please fill in the feedback form, submit the assignment and the assessments on the same day. If not, you always have our email IDs and you can contact us to that. So over to Namya and Monica ma'am. We welcome you ma'am to this second day of training. Varun, are you on the call?
Oh, yes, Kaushal, I am.
Has Namya joined the call?
Yes, yes, she has joined.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Request all the teachers here to mute your mics before Namya joins. Thank you.
So dear teachers, we once again thank you in supporting us and joining our webinars and sessions. We are humbled and we are grateful to you. So before Namya joins into this presentation, if I could request you to write your experience about yesterday in the chat box. Uh, what were the things that were you liking and what were the areas where you felt that something could have been changed, or what are the things that you wanted to let us know? So you are free to write the things in the chat box. So till the time Namia joins in, would request the participants to write about their experience in the chat box. We'll be happy to learn from you and know from you.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
The sound is clear.
Yes, ma'am, the sound is clear. And dear participants, let us welcome Ms. Monica Joshi and Namya Joshi to take the session further for day 2 Minecraft training program. So over to you, Monica ma'am.
Thank you, Kaushal. So I'm sure the yesterday session was a roller coaster ride for many of you. I kept receiving the queries from Varun. So to make it simple, I just discussed with Varun and Kaushal that the assignment which we gave yesterday, we will uh, keep it on till uh, the last day, that is tomorrow. So you all can finish till tomorrow with all these 3 days learning, and then can enhance your world and can send to us. And then today, Namya will be sharing, as I received the inputs from you all, she will be explaining the use cases. She'll be showing few of the Minecraft worlds wherein she has used it in various subjects, and then perhaps a recapitulation of tomorrow or yesterday, and then few new things she will be talking about. And later on, I will be taking the query session. Right? Thank you, and over to Namya now.
Hello everyone, I'm Namya Joshi and today I'm going to show you some of the worlds which I have created in Minecraft. So the first world that I'm going to show you is about history, which is the Egyptian civilization that I have created in Minecraft. So is my screen visible to everyone? Are you able to see the screen? Right, so that means it's a yes. So this is the entrance to the Egyptian civilization that I have created. And the NPC that I told you yesterday, I've put here, welcome to Egypt. Now this shows the Valley of the Golden Mummies, which was found when a donkey was moving around and he just tripped off and saw that it was a golden coffin, and when they opened it they saw it was mummy inside it, and then they discovered a lot of mummies like that. So from then it was known as the Valley of the Golden
ಮತ್ತೆ
Mummies.
ಆಂಟಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ
And then we have the houses. At that time, the houses were made up of bricks and concrete. So, as it was mentioned in my book, so I created a small house made up of bricks and blue concrete. Beds and the floor was made up of sand. And then I created a well over here. Now, this well takes me to the main source, which is the river Nile. So this is the river Nile. It's also called the gift of Nile because without Nile, Egypt would have been desert. It also helps the farmers grow some crops, and it is very deep, so you can jump and swim in it.
Namya, your voice is not audible.
Actually, somebody is muting me. Somebody muted me. I don't know how.
Sudha Rani ma'am would request you to please mute yourself.
So I hope I'm audible now. I was just saying that I have created some houses over here which are made up of bricks and concretes as it was mentioned in my book. And then this is the river Nile, and Egypt is known as the gift of Nile because without it, Egypt would have been a desert, and it also helped the farmers to grow crops. And this is the royal palace that I have created here. And here is the place where the king and the queens and all his ministers sat. And this leads us to the prison. All the prisoners were kept. And on the opposite side, we have the rooms of the members of the royal family. So this is the king's room. And I have written that the king used to read and write here. So the Egyptian system of writing was known as hieroglyphics, that means sacred writing. And here is the place that I have depicted for the king who used to have some important meetings. And this is the queen's room, the daughter's room, and the son's room. Then I have made the social ladder, that means that how people were treated. So the first was Pharaoh, who was the ruler, and he was treated as a god. They were led by priests, nobles, officials, and scribes. Next came the merchants, artisans, and farmers, and the slaves were treated really badly. And here I have created the Great Pyramid of Giza. And here's the NPC saying that this is the Great Pyramid of Giza. It was built by Pharaoh Cheops, Khufu, and it is believed that his tomb is inside this pyramid. And I've put the border block here so that no one climbs above, and created some small pyramids around this Great Pyramid of Giza. And this was the place where the people or the soldiers could climb and check for any enemy attacks. So that's all what I've created in this Egyptian civilization world. And let me show you some another world, that is biology, about the respiratory system. Just let me open the world. just open the world now.
That's not great. Ladies, another my seat. So when you decided to celebrate your birthday, stop it here. Vicky, what are you waiting for? Get over here. So next time you're out with your friends, make sure you keep a mirror in your pocket.
This is the entrance to our respiratory system. If whoever is on unmute, please could you mute yourself?
Namya, if you could start presenting it again because a lot of disturbance is coming.
I just opened the world.
There is lot of distortions and video is hanging. Please can you give presentation again? To the high distortions.
To begin presenting again, I request every single one of you to please keep your mics on mute. It is only because a couple of teachers who just joined are keeping themselves on unmute, and that is the reason because of the entire disturbance that is coming up. So I request you all teachers once again to please mute your mics before Namya joins us again and starts presenting. Thank you.
really sorry. I just got disconnected from the call because of the internet issue. I'll just reshare the screen and show you the world. So I hope the screen is visible to you all. So this is what I've created, that is the entrance to the respiratory system. And when we press this button, it teleports us here, and it's a roller coaster ride. So we can place a minecart and then come here, and then this is the entrance to the world. So first of all, I've shown what is respiration, that it is the process of releasing energy by breaking down food, that is glucose, that is needed for various activities of the body. And this food is broken down by utilizing oxygen that we breathe through the air, and it is also burned for releasing energy. And it's a kind of gamified format, so when we press this, we get our reward. Now, here I have shown the types of respirations, that is aerobic respiration in which oxygen is utilized, and anaerobic respiration in which oxygen is not utilized. And this leads us to the parts of the respiratory system. I've shared it. Okay. Is my screen visible?
No.
Yes, Namya, it's visible.
So this is the entrance to the respiratory
So, but
system.
it is not visible on my screen, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can check your internet connection, then there might be some issue.
Okay, ma'am.
And so whenever we press this button, it teleports us here, that is a roller coaster ride, towards the entrance about respiration.
टेलीपोर्ट कैसे करते हैं मेरे को वही जानना है टीपी पता है मेरे को /TP यहाँ पे चैट में पूछो हाउ टू टेलीपोर्ट चैट कहाँ है
I
चैट
think someone is on mute. Unmute, please. Everyone, mute yourselves. So this shows that what is respiration. It is the process of releasing energy by breaking down food needed for various activities, and how it is broken down by utilizing oxygen. And this is the place we can press and get our first reward. And this shows types of respiration, that's aerobic, in which oxygen is utilized, and anaerobic, in which oxygen isn't utilized. Now this leads us to the parts of the respiratory system. The first is the nose, and I have given some information about the nose. And the second reward, the second part is the pharynx, and some information about the pharynx. And the third reward, now here is a spooky ride. And this button to come to the third part, that is the larynx. And the reward after learning it. And then is trachea, also called the windpipe. And the reward and the fifth part is the bronchi. And then I just kind of made a loop for completing the study. And now this is the final part, that is the lungs. I have shown the pairs of lungs here and some creatures in the laboratory for testing. So that's all what I've created in this world. And now let me show you the other world.
So this was the example of the science where she has created the respiratory organs and the parts of that, and then she has created in the form of a quiz, and then you could see that on answering each question the children were getting rewarded. So it's a kind where children are summing up the lesson, and then yes, they are self-testing, and the evaluation is also done with the topic. So this was one use case of science. Now she's moving to the literature where she will be showing you the Harry Potter.
I hope you all liked the previous two worlds. I just go to the beginning of the world and I'm going to show you it from there. So this was a project about making something in Minecraft that is related to the SDG goals. So I have created the magical world of books which leads to SDGs 2030, and I have used the goal number 4, that is quality education. When we press this button, it leads us here. A minute. And this is the flap that I have created, in which I am showing all the series of Harry Potter. This book I'm gonna explain you the first part, that's the Philosopher's Stone. And then when we press this button, it teleports here to the entrance of Hogwarts. So this is the Quidditch pitch. And the changing rooms. of the opposite teams. Then we have Hagrid's hut. All know Hagrid. Then we have the Whomping Willow. Then we have the broom shed where the children kept their brooms. And this leads us to the flat area of flying lessons. And here we have the greenhouse where the children did some experiments related to the nature. Now let us move on towards the Hogwarts, that we'll go through the rail journey. So this is the barn house that I have created here. And here is Harry Potter on his broom. So when we enter the barn house, we can see that it's really old and tattered. These are the stairs that lead us to the courtyard and then towards the Great Hall. And I've also put some fat around so that everything will be visible at night. And this is the courtyard. Which leads us to the Great Hall with all its flying torches in the airs. And then this also leads us to the Great Tower. And it looks like this with the giant lake of the giant octopus. I've also created a book corner in which I'm giving you the websites where you can go and read about the first book, the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So I hope you all like this world. And I'm going to quickly show you one more world that is about wastage of water. take it to the beginning and show it to you. This is the entrance of the world where we have to click here to begin. And this shows that how people are throwing wastewater, which leads to stagnates and the poor conditions of the people living. And this shows that we should not waste water in the following ways, which is first in the kitchen, while bathing, or in a shower. You should not turn the tap on when not in use. Flush wisely, and if you want to see it in a proper way, I can show you it in the house that I have created. So this shows that there is a purified water in the RO, but where is it coming from? Let me tell you that also. So this is the water that is going down after the running water, which we don't require, and it gets collected here. This is the place where I have placed the chemical reactors which suck out the impurities from this water, and now this water is pure for the animals to drink it. And then I have similarly put it in the washroom also. As you can see, these chemical reactors here. And I have shown that how we should waste water that can be used to wash hands, for bathing, for using in swimming pools, for washing utensils, for various experiments, as children love experiments, for cleaning the vehicles, for watering the plants and mopping floors. And you all know that the water that is a bit impure from the RO has a pH level a bit high. So I have created this machine that reduces the pH level so that the clothes are perfect, that they can be washed. And now I'm going to teach you about the slash commands. So whenever you have to open the chat command, and even this, I've also used this for decoration lightning using the wastewater. Okay, so when you have to open the slash command or the chat, you have to press slash, which will open the slash chatting commands. So I'm going to teach you two commands today that you can remember. First is weather. So weather, you have four options, that is clear, rain, thunder, and query. It shows you here. So it's when if it starts raining, you can do slash weather clear and enter. If you want it to rain, you can do slash weather rain and enter. If you do query, then it will tell you the status of the weather right now. So it says weather state is clear. And another is day lock. That locks and unlocks the day-night cycle. Like I told you in the beginning, you want it to be day or day-night side. And if you forget day lock, you can also use always day. Shows that the day-night cycle has been locked. बस इतना ही है आज के लिए. So that's all I have taught you today, and if you want to ask any other doubts, you can ask that.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How to create an entrance for each world, each multiple world? That means how to create an entrance to different multiple worlds.
Sorry, sir.
That means while you opened Harry Potter, You
Yes,
shown us many words are similar to this entrance gateway. That means how to create that entrance. That means this way to one,
No,
this way
sir,
to.
I just did it. No, sir, it was already in my words. So when I did escape, like escape, there's an option for save and exit. So you'll go back to your worlds and then you can open a new world. But you can't like teleport yourself from one world to another world.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. I'll just write the slash command which I told you on the chat window.
Namya? Namya?
Yes, ma'am.
Buddha, I have sent my project to you on the email ID, on that email ID. So while sending the project, I have to export my word, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So could you please check that and let me know whether I will be doing correctly or not. I have
Okay, I'll just
completed.
tell you that how you can export your world. I'll just tell you that right now, ma'am.
Okay, I have sent
So,
a hidden house as well as comic book.
okay, ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes.
So if you have to export your world, you can go to my world and then click upon maybe the world you want to export. I want to export maybe this world. So I'll click upon this and I'll go on the settings. And then there's an option of export world. When you export it, you can maybe save it here. And then when you have to attach it, you can attach it from here.
And
Hello?
one more thing.
Yes.
Yesterday when I want to join the world with my son, I am unable to do that. It is showing me that you are connected to that world but unable to connect. So why this
Yes,
option?
ma'am. Yes, it happens sometimes, ma'am, because it is like a luck only for multiplayer that it works or not. Because if you have proper connection, actually it does not need connection also. It means that if Minecraft is willing to connect you there, it will connect you. Otherwise, it won't. Or maybe it is also about the uh, internet also sometimes.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Yes.
Excuse How to
Yes.
join a world of yours?
Sorry.
How to join the world?
Okay, so you were asking how to join. Okay, I'm going to share it 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, so whenever you go like to your world, you can click upon this and host your world. And maybe I'm the other person now. So that person will give me the code. And when you click upon join world, you can enter the 4-digit code and click upon confirm. And it's like if you are able to enter, that's okay. Otherwise, you can try after some time.
Hello, excuse me, Namya.
Yes, ma'am.
Namya, can you give me the details of yesterday's class because in network problem I could not join the beginning of the class. What the introduction topics you have explained that I missed it. Can you please mail me those?
Ma'am, we'll share the recording with you, so you can revisit her tutorial, whatever she has taken yesterday.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Tonight
I have also not able to join yesterday because that network problem was there. So how can I get that, sir?
Yes, madam.
Ma'am, we have shared a feedback form, so would request you to fill in so that we get your email ID and we'll be
So,
sharing the yesterday's tutorial with you.
Okay,
Okay.
where are we going to get the feedback for?
We would be posting it on the chat group, ma'am.
Okay.
Chat group.
Okay.
Sometimes the chat group is not visible, sir.
You can click on the chat icon, and from there you can actually see it.
Excuse me,
Okay,
sir. The administrator has disabled the chat, sir.
No, ma'am. I'm the administrator. I have not yet done it. In case if there's any other questions with regards to Minecraft, with regards to installing, all the teachers who have asked me yesterday on the WhatsApp group, please feel free to ask right now. Thank you.
Yes, sir. We can.
Hello?
Excuse me.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
When you host a
Uh,
word, how can you know the code?
Which code?
The code
Ma'am,
to
just
join
wait,
the
come here. Which code, ma'am?
the code to join the world.
Yeah, Namya will just share you that. To join the world, Namya. How they have to join the world, just tell them. Just repeat it again, beta.
How to
Okay, I'll
join
just-
a world using code.
Okay, I'll just share the screen and Namya will repeat the steps.
We have to click upon join world and then we can add the code. Whatever the code the other person shares you with.
When we host a world, then how can we know the code?
You can ask the other person that what is the code. You can't know the code unless the other person will tell you the code.
I can't hear that.
I'm saying the other person will tell you the code only then you can come inside the other person's world.
No, if we are only hosting the world.
So you have to go and view my worlds and host your world. And then when you click upon next, it will tell you the 4-digit code and then you can tell that person what is the code and you can join them.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
in the world, how do we see the face of the character? Like we always see the back part of the character, right? So how do we see it front?
Sorry, can you please repeat, sir?
Uh,
You
what? I
please
didn't understand.
Could you please repeat?
Yeah, in the world, like when we are working in the world, how do we see the face of the character? Like whatever word you showed, we can only see the back part of the character, right? So how do we see the face while he's going and everything? Like I see in some videos, they show the face of the character also in the
Yes,
world.
then click upon F5.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
so much.
Hello, Nana. How to make a farm? Hear you. Like, how can we make a farm of ourselves? I can't hear you. How can we make a farm? Farm. So that can be. I just open the world. have to create. So I was saying that when you have to create your farms, I do a bit farming. So for that, you can take some seeds, post dirt, some water in the water bucket, and so it's like first of all we'll place like and like this, and we can then we'll so it comes, and then we'll you can make the farm like this. So is your question answered?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, Namya. How can we add the text in Word?
Yes, sir. You can either use signs or slates or maybe boards. So if you want to write, you can take a sign and you can maybe write like this.
Okay, thank you, Namya.
You're welcome, sir.
Hello, Namya. Can we explain the mathematical concepts in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Higher mathematics, like 9th and 10th mathematics.
Ma'am, I'm in 8th.
Sorry, please.
Ma'am, I'm in 8th, so I'm not sure about 9th and 10th. But yeah, you can explain the things that can be explained about higher
Yeah,
level in Minecraft.
can you show me 8th concepts even, if whatever you can do?
Ma'am, I have just created symmetry world, so we'd like to see that.
Can you show me, please?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you can go to the library and you can check the lessons from here only.
Okay. Can you open one world, please?
Okay, ma'am, I'll show you my symmetry world for you.
Hi Namya, my name is Piyush. My question is how to share our words with others.
Quote it and send it. There's a difficulty with how to make this symmetrical, if it is symmetrical or not. When it is symmetrical, then the star shape oval, then the diamond sword, then the pickaxe, it is symmetrical, then a Christmas tree, a rainbow, and a cloud, butterfly, a whale, rectangle.
So I think she has explained enough use cases today, and then now it's time for the teachers also to try with the kind of problems, the projects which have been given, and explore. And then once you log in into Minecraft, you have enough lessons also there to explore. Can move around in those lessons, and then tomorrow I'll be sharing few of the Minecraft world built by Name. Also, I'll be sharing it with Varun so he can share with you all. With that, I think I can close the session today. Caution, or there are more queries in the chat window. I think Name has answered.
Can it can be downloaded in mobile?
It can be downloaded in mobile, but that will be a pocket edition, and then you will have limited things in that. That will not be education edition.
Yes, ma'am. These are the queries, and dear participants, we have shared the feedback form in the chat window. Would request you to fill in up so that you can get today's and yesterday's recording. And tomorrow is our last day of the training program. So all the best to everyone, and do go through all the tutorials, all the 2 tutorials, and whatever your doubts are, you can email us, or you have Varun's group information, you can share it there also. Varun, are we good to go?
Yes.
Just sorry, my name is Divya this side. I just had one query. Actually, I'm accessing this through my son's team ID, Meet ID, his school. So I'm not able to see any of your chat options. I am seeing his chat options only.
Because it's outside of the organization, basically you're using another account as a guest account. That's why.
Right. So how
Yeah.
do I access your feedback form and everything?
So you can.
Yeah.
Sure. You can mail it. You can send a mail to me at varun@teacher.in. So I would be sharing you back the feedback form, or because I'll have your email address directly, I can email it to you.
Sure. I'll just see. You have only sent me the mail. Varun
Yes.
Balog. Okay.
Yes.
I'll send you my mail. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay. Great. So I think Kaushal, we have.
Excuse me. Yeah. Excuse me.
Yes.
Can we send the world to anyone?
Dear, we have to look into it, and we'll definitely get back to you over this. So thank you, participants, for joining us today. And
Yes,
please fill in
one
the
last,
feedback form.
Please, one last
Yes, it may
query. I've been asking repeatedly for the Minecraft download, which I'm not able to yet do it in my laptop. So it's asking from something Office 365, which I find, I don't know where I can get that free download. So if you can please send me the links, and most of us are finding it difficult to download the Minecraft yet. So if you can please send us the links of downloads, it'll be much helpful for us so that we can have some practice over it.
Sure.
If you are using Windows 10, you may download from Microsoft Store itself. Then we can download directly from there. Microsoft Store.
I have checked it, but it is talking about some payment modes and all. There's no free download that I could look into.
All
Because
right. So
firstly 30 days is free. Then next, if the resources is limited, then we want to purchase more for more accounts.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll
I
go
will.
through it once more, and see. But possibly, if you can send us the links, that'll be of much help.
yeah, sure. So once when you fill the feedback form, we'll have your email addresses along with the
Yes,
webinar link.
please.
We would be sending you the instructions for downloading. Along with so we have created Monica ma'am has actually created a demo ID for all the participants to view Minecraft and to access it. So that demo ID would be available or useful until 13th. So I'd be sharing that details along with the mail. So I request all the
Please do
participants
share.
to
Thank
to
you.
fill the feedback form so that we can send you all the details. And the assignment that was mentioned yesterday to create a comic book or a house, so or a hidden house, you can submit that by tomorrow. And only after you submit that, we would be able to go through it and enable you for a certification. In addition to that, we would also send you all the resource links that Namya has worked on. So she has a YouTube channel of her own, and we would share the details as well. Just go through it in the yesterday's mail as well. I had shared it to you. In today's mail as well, we will be sharing everything along with the credentials, with the link to instructions, and also with the link to webinars. All right.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can't we join with a pocket edition of Minecraft?
Yeah, my dear, you can join with the Pocket Edition, but there are very limited features into it. So if you want to practice Minecraft with all the features, you must be browsing it via your browser, and either it on computer or on laptop. So Pocket Edition will give you very limited features. So it's advisable for you to download on your desktop or on laptop, and then you can go through it. So thank you,
Okay, sir.
participants, for your
Sir.
time and for joining us today. Until then, we'll meet tomorrow. And Varun has already told that by tomorrow you can submit your assignments. We have given you the
Excuse me,
feedback
sir.
link. Please fill in, and we'll share all
Excuse
the
me.
links of all the
Excuse me,
Minecraft
sir.
and the resources with you. Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Sir, can
Yes.
you tell me the app name once again? Minecraft only, right?
Yes, ma'am. Minecraft.
Which Minecraft, which we have to download and
Excuse me,
create
sir.
our own
What's
comic.
Excuse me. This is Sridevi. Yesterday I did not join you. Today I have joined. So how come I can clear that assignment or whatever you have given us today?
Yeah. So all the details will be shared on the mail once when you fill the feedback form. Once when you have all your the details through which we can reach out to you on the mail, everything will be mentioned, like what assignment, how you need to complete it, and everything. So
Okay.
tomorrow before tomorrow's session, if you can complete it, or by the end of tomorrow, that would be great.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
We need your details, the email
Excuse me,
ID we
sir.
require
What's the
to
assignment?
share all your details and everything. So we'll be sharing all the details on email. So I think thank
Excuse
you
me,
for
sir.
now. Yes, my dear.
Excuse me, sir.
It is comic book and or a hidden house.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Thank you for your precious help to us.
It's all our pleasure, sir. It's all your support and your blessings, and we are grateful to you for joining us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, teachers. Thank you so much, Namya. Thank you, Kaushal. Thank you, Monica, ma'am. It was a great session. And I look forward to tomorrow session. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Thank you once again. I would like to thank Osmania University School of Education for the support provided in endeavoring us with this training program. Thanks to Monica Joshi and Namya Joshi for being the course facilitator. And thanks to Varun. And also thanks to all the lovely participants who are joining us for all the wonderful sessions with us. Thank you. Be safe and see you tomorrow.